keyboard Logitech MK270. This looks like a resealed package. Oh, I don't know what this is. Hope it's A and AA and AAA. Hope it's AA and AAA and not some. Full size, comfort, computer at the fingertips. Batteries last a long time. 2 AAAs for the keyboard and 1 AA for the mouse. Perfect. Parts broken. Maybe I find some spare batteries inside. Okay, the mouse was already opened, but I think this was a return. But it has this tab here. Has a tab here, so maybe you can see if it was really used. It was used a little bit. Not much. You can tell from the wear on the pads here. Very little. Maybe, yeah. So this is the mouse. All clicks work. There is still this foil on it. Still has the foil on this thing. So it was really just a pick up and return. Just like that. I will still clean it. And let's see if there is a battery inside. Okay. I think the battery was included, maybe. Because this, I don't know. Yeah, this looks like a included battery. It's really cold, came from outside. It's set to on. I'll leave it off and keep the battery to warm up a little. Okay, mouse looks okay. So far, I'm holding the camera with the left hand and grabbing this thing with the right hand. Let's see. Okay, the keyboard looks clean. Oh, there is even, I didn't even notice this thing. There's a USB receiver. That's so easy to lose this thing. Maybe that's why they returned it, they couldn't find the... Maybe this is why they returned it, they couldn't find the receiver here. I have to use the same receiver that came with the keyboard and the mouse. So it will not work if the mouse stops working. I have to get another receiver, basically 2 receivers. So I'll keep it safe. I'll keep it really safe here. Perfect. Looks almost like new. I think it is new. It was opened here, but okay, let's see if there's anything else in the box. Okay, nothing else in the box. This is the keyboard. We have full size. Okay. Oh, the keyboard actually looks like it was not opened at all. Perfect. So only the mouse was opened. I think they opened the mouse. They probably opened the mouse and they couldn't find this thing, or it's just too small. The mouse is really too small. Many people would not like it. What's important here is the keyboard. The keyboard is unopened. So yeah, it was a cheaper price and I think it's worth it if it's gonna work. Okay. This tape here looks like the usual, but maybe I'm wrong. When you pull these things, you cannot have it set the same way, so see, yeah. Okay, put some things back in the box, so let's see the actual keyboard. Yeah, the keyboard was never opened, which is great. Okay, and manual if you want to read some things. Okay. I will try to use this with my phone. You have now full QWERTY keyboard. QWERTY. Perfect. Z is here. For me it's really important to have the Z here and not the Y here. So it shouldn't be QWERTY Z here, it should be Y. Spacebar works really well. Arrows work really well. The brand here, Logi, with the mouse. You plug this receiver in your computer and it should be good to go. Here you have a on-off switch, both for the mouse and for the keyboard. This is the markings on the mouse. Simple, elegant. Media control buttons. It's a simple, cheap keyboard. You can't have too many expectations from this thing, but it's pretty slim. Slim enough, but not. The buttons, they have a really nice feel to them, so it feels good. Okay.